I'm going to recreate Wechat today. Why? Because I'm Asian who don't use Wechat. According to Statista, Wechat has 1.25 billion active monthly users. Let's see how hard it is to build it, just functional wise, not the 1.25 billion part. Or maybe one of you guys can take the project to the moon with it. If you watch until the end, there's a gift for you guys. In this video, I'm going to create the login UI. If you are completely new to the app development, check out the episode down below for how to set up the environment. The UI part is fairly easy. Okay, here we can create a project, Wechat one, and create login view and state. Can do a vertical stack and text. We can create the top text first. This part. Email. Font. Set the font and font weight. So make it blonde. Actually, blonde is too heavy. Maybe semi-blonde. Actually, let's run it first. I'm gonna delete it. We get a spacer, so you go all the way up. We're gonna play the account on the password field. Account. Account, which email. Divider, the padding, the bottom. For the password, just gonna use a secure field. Enter password, just change it. Also here, a state variable to just keep track the password input. Okay. That looks good. Spacer. And the body is a button. 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 A login button. Text. max width dot infinity, padding dot vertical 20, dot background color dot green. Just adding some. In the bottom, it's unable to log in and the more option feature. Text. Foreground color. Color literal, and we can just get it what color, whatever color we want. And give it a divider. Background color gray, and also give it a frame. I would like height the height by night. Same goes for the width. With this, we can easily access the view. So like we don't need to get a fixed value every single time. It's still a little bit too high, just divide by 5. And it looks better. And the last part, one more button. Just go. More options. And the overall is like have a padding tool inside. So just give it a padding to the overall. It looks better. For anyone who subscribed now until I reach 10k sub, I will give away a brand new iPhone 13 to one of you. You can use your mom or grandma's account to subscribe. The chance of winning are pretty high for now. And also I will share the whole project source code with my subscriber. In addition, you get a chance to win $100 when you comment down on this video below within the first week. I do give away quite frequently. Check out my other video if you want to win some free prizes. I will post the next part of the project in the next couple of days.